But if I said no, what would you say?
I hear you. Let me just ask you real fast. What's holding you back?
Well, the pricing, and then, my wife needs to look at all of this stuff. Plus, where we are looking at a website person. All right, so you just boom, he's dead. You just stepped on a landmine. You're dead. Sorry. Okay, but this is why we drill and practice this stuff. Okay, let me fix 2 things on this. I liked your close. I'd give you a B+ on it. Here's the problem though. It wasn't tight. It wasn't compressed. And I wasn't really clear about what you wanted to do. You could streamline that down to, hey, based on the fact that you want to get this up to 42%, this is what we do all day, every day. Does it make sense for you to sign the agreement so I can get the software implemented?
That's way better, Matt.
Yeah, and you say yes. And then I say, and here's the other piece, okay? Does it make sense does it make sense to sign the agreement, get the software implemented? Just ask them straight up, does it make sense? If they say yes, the next thing out of your mouth needs to be, congratulations, you made a great decision. What happens next? Okay? These words, what happens next, are so powerful. What happens next is we're either going to do tomorrow or Wednesday, I'll come in and set up the stuff. So you're going to sign the agreement right now, and then what happens next is I'll get everything installed. Typically get it installed the same day. Which day's better for you, tomorrow or Wednesday? Wednesday, right? So we're going to be really clear, all right? Now, if you say, hey, I realize you guys want to get it to 42%, you're at 27% right now, totally get it. This is what I do all day, every day. This is what we specialize in. You're a perfect client for us. Does it make sense for me to get started, pick this up, and have it going for you? Yes. No, it doesn't. Don't say, and what was it that he said? I can't remember. It was the landmine he walked on. What was the landmine he stepped on? Why not?
What's holding you back?
What's holding you back? Okay? The reason why we never want to say, why not? What's holding you back? What can I do to get your business? Because people will answer the questions we ask them. I'm going to repeat that for you because it's really important for you to understand. This happens in your personal life too. People will answer the questions you ask them. So when I ask Dave, hey Dave, what's holding you back? Do you really think David's going to go, huh, I am so glad you asked me that, because now that I realize it, I was full of you-know-what, and nothing is holding me back. Let's buy it. People have egos, right? So they're going to answer the question we ask them, to which then you get, hey, it's not a good time for us. I don't have the budget right now. We're going to redo our website. There's no point in me adding features to it. They will literally go into their brain, if you ask them what's holding you back, and start coming up with reasons what's holding you back. So when the next time you go, hey, does it make sense to sign the agreement? Full stop, pause, quiet. No. Got it. What's a good next step? That's it. That's all I want you to say. What's a good next step? Well, we are getting ready to redo the website. When you say you're getting ready to redo the website, is that already on the timetable? No, but we're trying to do that in the fall. Got it. Makes total sense. Totally get it. Something that we specialize in is I'm able to get these up in a matter of 3 hours. Does it make sense for me to get it up on this website right now? And then there's no fee. When you do the new website, I'll do the re-implementation then. Fair enough? Yeah, that actually works. That works well, right? Or let's say it's worst case scenario, right? What's a good next step then? I don't know. Makes sense. What's a good next step on my end? Or what's a good next step for me? Right? Well, we're going to redo the website. Then go through the website, Pat. Yeah, hey, no problem. Blah, 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 blah. If it's not something you could do, which, by the way, I know you could do that. Let's say you couldn't do that. Perfect. When are you going to do the new website? We're going to do it in the fall. Understood? How about we do this? I will call you September 1st if I haven't heard from you before then. My mobile 720-660-3202. If you really can't do anything, if that new website is really holding them back, there's no point in me beating you to death so that you're pissed off and you kick me out of your office, right? Hey, that's a valid concern. How about we do this? You're going to do it in the fall. I'll circle back with you September 1st if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? Yeah, that works for me. Cool. In the meantime, anything comes up, you decide you don't want to do the website. I have a lot of clients that once they get the bill on the website, they're like, we're good the way we are. Or you want me to put it on this website right now so that you can recoup the revenue and actually pay for the website between now and September. All of those are options I can give you. My mobile 720-660-3202. I'm going to call you September 1st if I haven't heard from you before then, or if anything pops up, any valuable ideas that I have, I'll shoot them over to you. Fair enough? Now I've left the door wide open. And then the other thing, if this is truly something I can't close by September 1st, guess what I now get to do? Put that in my sustainable pipeline and go find new deals. Guys, so summary on the close. Does it make sense to blank? Does it make sense to sign the agreement? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? Then they'll tell you if there was something really holding them back versus you saying what's holding you back. Because if you say what's a good next step, then they will always tell you what's holding them back. If you say what's holding you back, even if nothing was holding you back, they'll make something up. If they don't know, point the question at yourself. What's a good next step for me? If they still don't know, set a next step. Hey, no problem. How about we do this? It's Wednesday right now. I'll call you Friday 4:30 if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? Yeah, that works. Cool. Now between now and Friday, I'm prospecting. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.